Today we are going to be talking about the coordinate plane. So the coordinate plane has an x-axis as well as a y-axis. The y-axis is vertical and the x-axis is horizontal. And these two axes make up 4 quadrants, and they are labeled accordingly in counterclockwise. They're labeled from 1 to 4 in counterclockwise order. So this quadrant right here is quadrant 1. This quadrant is quadrant 2. This quadrant is quadrant 3. And this last one is quadrant 4. Now, in each of these 4 quadrants, some ordered pairs are negative, some points are negative, some points are positive. So in quadrant 1, the x is always positive and the y is always positive. In quadrant 2, the x is always negative and the y is always positive. In quadrant 3, both x and y are always negative. And then in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Now let's practice with some points and try to identify which quadrant they lie in. So let's start with point 5, 4. Now we should notice that both 5 and 4 are positive, so it would lie in quadrant 1. Let's do another example. Negative 2, 2. Now the x point is negative, but the y point is positive. So if we match them up, it would go in quadrant 2. Let's try one last point for today. Let's do 3, negative 2. Now if we look, the 3 is positive and the negative 2 is negative. So naturally it would belong in quadrant 4.